Hi ARK fans, welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today we are going to see how ARK traded these four companies. Which four companies? The ones that everybody's favorite, NanoDimension, Palantir, DraftKings, and Skillz. So we are creating a daily watch list of these four. We'll see on daily basis how many shares were added or removed in these companies. But this particular episode is all about July, the entire July month, of how much shares they added or removed, because sometimes what happens is these four are many people's favorite, but these four are not covered in the biggest moves that we do on daily basis, because maybe these were not the biggest moves of those days, but there is a lot of interest in these, so we are creating a special section in our daily episode that we do from Monday onwards called Daily Watch List. In that, we will feature these four, and this is the only channel that can do that. This is the USP of this channel, that we download complete data every day, and not from the emails that you can subscribe to on ARK website, because those emails are incomplete. They themselves say it on the email at the top and the bottom. So we wait for the complete data to be ready to be downloaded, and then we do the diffs from yesterday to bring you the complete information. And these four we'll especially focus on. And please feel free to say, let me know in the comments if there is any other company that you would like to be added to the daily watch list, because sometimes they cannot be covered in the these cannot be covered in the biggest moves, just because those were not the biggest moves of that day. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll keep bringing this awesome content to you. Liking and subscribing is the free way to show your support, and there is a lot of work that goes into these video, guys, so I highly appreciate that, and it helps me with the YouTube algorithm as well. Thank you. I'll see you on the other side. And this is the new section we have created, Daily Watch List. We'll be keeping an eye on DraftKings, Palantir, Skillz, and NanoDimension on daily basis from Monday onwards, just to see how much they added or removed on daily basis for these four. Feel free to put in comments any other companies that you want me to add to daily watch list. These are the four that we'll definitely be going over, and because we might skip them in biggest moves if these are not biggest moves, and hence this special section. We are starting with the monthly cut though. So how did these four companies, how did ARK trade these four companies for the month of July? So DraftKings, they added 11% extra shares for DraftKings, present in 3 ETFs, as you can see. Stock price ending in $49.80, starting at $52.20, making a difference of 41 million. Palantir, 3% removed net, as you can see from the shares trend. They added on some days, they removed on some days, but over period of entire month of July, net is minus 3% shares, minus almost 1 million shares, causing a difference of 136 million. That is also because the stock price went down. Skillz is the one which took the biggest hit. They removed 13% position in July, and that is towards the end of the month, as you can see, almost 3 million shares removed. Total of 224 million difference there. NanoDimension is green as well, 12% shares added, almost 2 million shares added, making a difference of negative 17 million because the stock price went down. But a very, very strong company, something unique. They do something unique. I've done several episodes on NanoDimensions, their balance sheets, how many companies they have acquired and still acquiring, the executives they are hiring. One of the recent one is for Americas, is from Amazon. So these four are very strong, very positive companies. If I have to rate them from my side, it's NanoDimension is number one, followed by Skillz, followed by DraftKings, and then Palantir. But I think ARK has the biggest position in Palantir, followed by DraftKings, Skillz, and NanoDimension. But let's take a look at it quickly. When I click on DraftKings, the chart below will show you exactly the trends for this month. So DraftKings is in 3 ETFs, and they added more share in ARKK and ARKW, whereas fintech is flat. Number of market value they are invested in is 0.5 almost, 0.16 and 0.05. So overall this would be I would say 0.7 billion. So we can do a total view also just to see. Yep, total view is 0.69 billion. Yes, so that is well, actually there is another way to do that, so we'll do that in a bit, but let's quickly take a look at it, where they added or removed. Palantir present in 2 ETFs. They removed from both of them, but it's not even showing because it's very little, starting 22.9 million shares, ending 22.2 million shares. In W, they removed 0.2 million, so started with 4.8, ended in 4.6. Skillz, 13% removed towards the end of the month from both of the ETFs that this position is present in, ARK and ARKW there. Then NanoDimensions, let's see, most of them are flat. They added more in print. That's where they added this month, 2.9 million now. So that's all those 4 companies, monthly view, but we'll keep an eye on it on daily basis. Feel free to let me know if there are any other companies that you want me to follow on daily basis. So this is the view by company. So these are the 4 companies, number of shares. We want to see this view mainly for the market value, just to see, yeah, DraftKings is number 1. Palantir used to be number 1 when starting earlier this month. Starting of this month, Palantir was number 1 among these 4. But now DraftKings it's probably because of the stock price, and they added more shares. In Palantir, they removed. Skillz has gone down, and NanoDimension is kind of flat. This is their ranking, how much they are invested in. My ranking is NanoDimension number 1, followed by Skillz, followed by DraftKings, and then Palantir. So that was your monthly episode, guys. Please like and subscribe, and help me out with this YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you next time with more information, more awesome content. And goodbye, and have a great weekend.